Hey everyone, I'm Jody Bader.
And I'm Sarah Martinez. We're Project Glad consultants and trainers from Washington State. Welcome to this short video tutorial on using a Project Glad strategy online. As you watch, feel free to reach out and connect with us or get some more tips from our website. You'll see the link below, nextstepsprojectglad.com. Enjoy.
Hey guys, here's another Padlet observation chart that I wanted to show you. This was just sent to me by a friend of mine who teaches in international school, and she was doing states of matter with ELL kids. I really particularly like this because, as you can see, she's actually created in Google Slides beforehand the slide of multiple pictures on one page, and I really like that idea. I don't know why I didn't think of that myself. And then we can see down here the students' responses. Because it's an ELL class, there's a lot of one-word responses. They were just observing what they were seeing in the pictures. And in this case, what my friend told me was that the teachers were taking dictation, but going ahead and recording what each of the students had to say about each of these pictures. I think it's a great use of slides and of Padlet. And you know, I just had another idea. There's another strategy that we use called Word Bank. This is a bonus strategy for you guys. And here's a low-tech way to do this. The idea is that a student is going to go through magazines, choose pictures, and in order to cut them out, they need to be able to at least say one word about them. They cut out the pictures, paste them on a 3x5 card, put them on a ring, and at various times throughout the unit, or it doesn't even have to be unit-specific pictures, just maybe photos that they like, the teacher would go through, show them the pictures, and whatever words, whatever language the student could use about what's in the image, the teacher would write it down and then date that. Come back at a different time in the unit of study or a different time in the school year, show the pictures again, and then record the new language and what new vocabulary the student has picked up to describe that image. So using this Padlet idea with the observation charts, it could also be a word bank whereby you could use one photo or this slide of collage of photos. And as we see here, what the teachers were writing down or dictating the one word that the student was saying, but come back in a couple of weeks, do it again, add the new words that they're saying. And it's a way to assess their academic language development. So there you go, 2 strategies in one. They got a bonus for you: observation charts using Padlet and Google Slides, and Word Bank.